issues with opening mud, you come to the right place. I about said the wrong place. It's Shalom Meadows, place where we're flipping this old rundown 1960s to 70s office building into our home. If you hadn't seen the last video, go back and see it. You'll see where we had before and afters of where we completed things in the house. The plan is to take and mud this. You know, eventually we're going to get to where we're going to paint the whole living room white. Because my wife loves the color white.
Which, we're going to have some future wall color paint stuff too.
Right now I'm having troubles opening the mud bucket here. So, who's there? Help. Okay. So come along on the ride to the front side. Ew. Ew. It looks like soup. It's not thick anymore. It's been sitting for a few days. It's gained some water traction. You don't believe me? Look. Ugh. You hear it? And as you can tell, y'all, it's cold around here now.
It's cold, South Carolina.
If you do go back to some videos prior, you might hear some, heaters. Might be coming around again here soon. Coming around the mountain, here it comes. Good? Not so good. Some of y'all out there are probably like good, not so good. Well, for me, it's this one. That feels weird. I feel like I got a spider web on my hand. Get away. If I didn't say this already, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know we got videos coming out. Because we got a lot of content coming. And like I said, we've already did a lot of content. Go back to the last video and you'll see.
So right now we're in a rut because our windows are open.
Yeah, right now we're in a rut because, the leaking. But we've done all kinds of things as you've seen in the videos. And I know I've said that numerous times, but I just want to keep reminding y'all that that's what's holding us back.
But that's going to be fixed this week, we're hoping. So.
Well, hopefully that gets fixed here soon. Hopefully they get fit here soon. We have other things we have to fix too, first. So hopefully we can fix that too. And the other things just doesn't deal with the house. So don't want y'all to be like, well, don't tell us all about your personal self, okay? We don't want to know. Well, I apologize, okay? Well, you know what? I'll just be quiet. I won't say a thing. It's against the wall.
Against the wall.
You know what I ain't done in a while? Damn. You're like, no, it's Shalom, y'all. No, my catchphrase is Dad Firm. Oh, not all the way in either. Like, I want to watch this because of him. No, they don't. You turn it on, you look at me and go, oh, that was a monster. Hot and cold, and it's been in here for a while, so it's kind of juicy. I'm trying to make it more thick. How I know it's juicy, I don't know, because I'm not going to eat it. But
it's like liquefied.
Yeah, it's like liquidy. So I'm trying to. I know some of y'all is probably like, you ain't got that little drill thing and just. No, I don't. There's a lot of tools I
Not
like.
yet.
There's a lot of tools I like to have. One of these days I might get them. Why I say might? Because you never know. I got corn stuck in my throat. Popcorn.
Oh yeah, that.
Boy, that sounds country, don't it? Corn fed and country.
We have to screw this board down.
No,
We do.
that's what it's made. Those of y'all who have been watching for a while, what you think of my hair? And no comments, mother.
Glad we don't have our floors down yet. Not even funny.
Huh?
Not even funny. You can get hurt.
Oh, that'll add to my injuries that I got this year. And my 29 years of life. I'm not that young. I about said that old. I'm not that young, y'all. And my lady right there, she ain't either.
Hey!
You're not.
I'm right there at it.
You're not.
I am.
Oh, you know you're further away.
Guys, I'm 30.
Don't tell how old I am.
Guys, he's old.
Or
That.
How old do you think I am? Drop it in the comments. And if I've asked that before, I apologize. But we'd love to get a comment from you guys.
And it's fun just to see.
Yeah, it's fun. It's just a little game. But remember, every year you get is a blessing from the Father. Yeah, bigger.
No, it's gonna be big. Okay. Do that one.
Oh.
Look at you.
That was a stretch. That was one of the scariest times I was on the ladder, y'all. I thought I was gonna go face first into the pillow. Went, huh? But that will conclude this episode of Shalom Meadows. Don't forget to come back and watch more episodes. As you've seen, we completely mudded all the way down. We're going to let it dry. We're going to come back. We're going to sand it, mud it again, sand it, and then trim it up, paint it, so on and so forth. So hopefully we can get the money or the means or that we need to get the trim that we need to do it. We got to size it up, mount it up, see what it is we got to get it up. Oh, Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell so you know when we got videos coming out. Show them, y'all.